Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry cake.
What should we do in times of earthquake? This is Maria Stephanie BGuimary, and I will make you earthquake ready. Going back to the question, what should we do in times of earthquake? First, let me define what earthquake is. An earthquake is the shaking of the ground caused by the sudden breaking and movement of the tectonic plates. In this case, we should be ready. These are the things we need to do in time of earthquake. Prepare, aware, and beware. Number 1. Prepare. We need to prepare a first aid kit, battery power radio, flashlight, and extra batteries at home. We need to prepare an evacuation plan wherein leave your family after the earthquake. Learn the earthquake drill, duck, cover, and hold. Number 2. Aware. If you're outdoors, stay outside. If you were indoors, stay inside. If you're inside the car, stop the engine, stay inside until the shaking stops. Do not use elevator, use stairs. Number 3. Beware. Check yourself and other for injury. Stay away the damaged buildings. Stay calm. Stay where you are. Remember, we don't know when earthquake occurs, so we need prepare, aware, and beware. That's it. Stay safe, everyone.
I've been